So, hi, good evening everyone. Today, I, Dhruv Goyal, present here, will tell you about the war that has happened in the 2026. There are many things like what is the reason behind this war, what is the impact of this war, what will be the impact of this war, and what is the impact of this war in India. So, in this slide, I will tell what is the reason behind this war. The latest US war in 2026 is mainly due to tensions with Iran. The USA attacked Iran over security concern, fear of nuclear threat, and Iran retaliated with missiles and drones. Increasing the conflict. This situation is spread to Iraq because Iran-backed groups there they started attacking the US bases. Overall, it is a mix of security issues, retaliation, and the struggle for power in the Middle East. This conflict is an important for larger rivalry between US and Iran for influencing in the region. The Middle East is important for its oil service. So any war affect global prices and economy. As a result, even countries not directly involved like Iraq are getting impacted indirectly. So in the next slide, I will tell what is the impact of this war. Impact of the wars, first, oil and inflation rise. Conflict near Iran increases oil prices and leading to high fuel cost in the Middle East region. And economical stress. Many countries face slower growth and higher living costs due to these things. And impact on Iraq. Iraq face instability, attack on bases, and the loss of oil revenue. Regional instability. Continuous attack increases security issues and chances of having a war later. What will be in the next slide, I will tell what will be the impact of this war. Impact will they may face later. First is long-term high oil prices and inflation. Ongoing tension near Iran may keep fuel and daily cost high worldwide. Economic slowdown. Countries may face job losses, slow development, and financial stress due to high energy costs. Instability in Iraq. Iraq may continue facing violence, weak economy, and slow development. Risk of bigger global war. More countries getting involved could expand the conflict further. What will be the impact of this to India? First, rise in oil prices and inflation. War involving Iran and Russia has increased oil prices above $100, making petrol, transport, and daily goods expensive in India. Weak Indian rupee. Due to high oil import and global tension, the rupees has fallen to record low, increasing import costs. Economic pressure. Higher fuel cost and disrupted trade can slow down India's growth and increase inflation. Dependence on Russian oil increases. India is buying more oil from the Russia to manage supply shortage. Thank you.